How to delete all archive stories on Instagram all at once. Now, this is a big issue because since you'll have to manually select every single story or go up to every single story and then click on delete. But we're going to figure a way out on how you can delete all of them at once. So, for that, head over to your Instagram app and from there, head over to the profile section right here. And into the profile section, you're going to click up on here, the three dots on top and right hand side corner of the screen. And you're going to click on archive. Since it's your stories archive, you're going to click on stories archive. And from here, you are going to click on more options and then settings. One way you can do it is click on settings and then turn the save story to archive. That way, any story that you post is not going to be saved into your archive at all. Other way you can do it is by simply going onto the specific story and clicking on delete more and then delete. Another way that you can do it is by simply going onto your highlights and either clicking on delete highlight, because that is going to delete all the stories that you've ever had, since highlights work in a way that they put stories from your archive onto your highlight. So yeah, these are a few ways you can delete your archived stories on Instagram.